The overall goal of this procedure is to obtain measures of both neural activity and self-reported feeling states during computerized social interactions. This is accomplished by first creating the computerized stimuli for the program. The second step is to program the computerized cyberball social interaction. Next, the participant's neural activity is recorded during the social interaction. The final step is to process the neural data offline following the completion of the cyberball protocol. Ultimately, the event-related cyberball protocol is used to show the neural activity associated with each moment within an ongoing dynamic social interaction.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like questionnaires after an interaction or fMRI technology, is that this technique allows for the examination of each type of event within an interaction, as well as the dynamic neural activity within each event and across events.
To begin, use a photo editing program to create individual images for each portion of the throws within Cyberball. Break down each of the throws from player to player into the individual throw frames that are shown one after another. Next, add any labels, names, or pictures to each individual throw frame. Include an image to represent the human participant as the bottom player on the screen. Note which frame in each throw sequence is the informational frame for that throw. This is the first frame within the throw sequences that provides information to the players about the specific destination of the throw. Ensure that there are throw sequences